Ever found yourself asking, what on earth is Mercury retrograde? Well, you're not alone. Mercury retrograde is a phenomenon in astrology that's been stirring up intrigue and curiosity for ages. You see, in the cosmic dance of the heavens, every so often, the planet Mercury appears to be moonwalking, or rather, moving in the reverse direction. It's like Mercury has hit the rewind button on its celestial remote. But don't let your eyes deceive you. This is merely an optical illusion resulting from the relative positions and speeds of Earth and Mercury. And here's another interesting tidbit. This doesn't happen just once, but typically 3 to 4 times in a year. Each Mercury retrograde period lasts about 3 weeks, giving us plenty of time to experience its unique effects. Now that we've got the basics down, let's dive deeper into the effects of Mercury retrograde. So, you might be wondering, what does Mercury retrograde mean for me? Well, let's dive right into it. Mercury retrograde, in the realm of astrology, is often associated with a particular set of effects that can, at times, turn our regular routines upside down. The first thing that comes to mind for many is confusion. During this period, you might find yourself misinterpreting signals or getting your wires crossed in conversations. It's as if everyone's speaking the same language, but no one's quite understanding each other. Then there's delay. Ever had one of those days where every traffic light seems to be against you? Or perhaps you've experienced a day when every task, no matter how simple, takes twice as long as it should. That's the essence of delay during Mercury retrograde. It's like the universe's way of telling us to slow down and take a breath. Frustration often follows confusion and delay. It's the natural response to feeling like you're swimming against the tide. But remember, it's all about perspective. Instead of seeing these challenges as roadblocks, view them as opportunities to develop patience and resilience. Now let's talk about the sectors Mercury retrograde tends to affect the most: communication, technology, and travel. Miscommunications can become more frequent, technological devices might malfunction or not work as smoothly, and travel plans could go awry. Before you start panicking, let's make one thing clear. These effects aren't scientifically proven. They're beliefs that have been widely adopted in the world of astrology. Just like how some people believe in lucky charms or superstitions, others believe in the effects of Mercury retrograde. So what can you do about it? Well, forewarned is forearmed. By being aware of these potential effects, you can prepare for them. You can double-check your communications, back up your tech, and build in extra time when traveling. Remember, these effects are not inevitable, but being aware can help navigate potential challenges. Let's get specific and talk about the Mercury retrograde of December 13th, 2023. This cosmic event is going to be a unique one, marking the end of the year with some celestial twists and turns. It begins on December 13th and lasts until January 2nd of the following year, giving us a touch of its influence as we transition into 2024. During this period, Mercury will journey through the sign of Capricorn, a sign known for its practicality, ambition, and discipline. This suggests that issues related to career, responsibility, and long-term planning might come into focus. You may find yourself reassessing your professional goals, or perhaps rethinking your strategies for success. But that's not all. For a brief period from December 29th to 31st, Mercury will take a quick dip into the sign of Sagittarius. This fire sign is all about adventure, truth, and higher learning. It might trigger a desire to explore new horizons, seek truth, or delve into philosophical thoughts. Now remember, Mercury retrograde is not about fear, but understanding. This period is an opportunity to slow down, reflect, and make necessary adjustments in life. Whether it's redefining your career path or broadening your worldview, the Mercury retrograde of December 13th, 2023 is your cosmic cue to introspect and evolve. So, that's a sneak peek into what the Mercury retrograde of December 13th, 2023 might look like. Mercury retrograde. It's not all doom and gloom. Think of it as a cosmic pause button, a chance to reassess, reflect, and reevaluate. It's about taking things slow, double-checking your plans, your communication, and your decisions. It's not a time to fear, but a time to grow. It's a cosmic invitation for introspection and making better choices. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding Mercury retrograde, you can turn it into an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Until next time.